What's up, guys? Welcome to StreetRidesTV. I'm here with the classic Dodge Challenger V8. This thing is beautiful. It's excellent condition. It's got the VVIVID rich radials, hood pins on it. It's got the air dams. The interior is like crispy, brand new. This is a convertible model, so it's even rarer. All the body looks straight. There is literally no sign of any accident here at the front end. It's got the original parts on this. This looks very, very, very well kept. I'm actually getting excited looking at this thing. Wow. So we got this nice fuel door here. Billet. White rag top. Actually, that looks leather, so we got probably a leather waterproof top there. This is an antique car, antique plate car. The exhaust is definitely custom. Got custom exhaust here. Look at the lines on this beauty. Guys, subscribe. This is why you should subscribe. There's no telling what I'll post next. You never know what I'll find. For example, see what they're asking for this. Frame off restoration, $65,000. Look but don't touch, that's always a good rule. Look how beautiful this thing is. Excellent choice on the graphics here. We got the chrome around the wheel wells. Door handles look original. Those could have been worked a little bit better. But they're not kidding when they said frame off, because just looking at that front end to the bottom, it's definitely got all new exhaust. From the headers back, looks original. I mean, from the headers forward, it looks original. The exhaust is definitely redone from their back. This is nice. This is beautiful. 65 grand. Let's take a shot at this interior. They definitely need to do a little better job covering this up, because this sun is going to eat up this dash and these seats. This is nice. Steering wheel is definitely not original. But other than that, everything else looks here. I'm going to get some good shots for you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you like awesome cars. I post imports, muscle cars, anything with a motor that looks awesome. You're gonna find it here. And follow me on Instagram, XavierSantos47, or our car's Instagram, StreetRidesTV. I'm gonna get a full side view of this. 65 grand. It's not a lot of car for 65 grand, but you can't just go to the middle of the mall and buy this shit. Lines look straight, bodywork looks good, the paint looks good. The trunk lid is a little off. I can tell I'm like really picky and meticulous to certain things. Yeah, you can see that trunk lid is a bit off. I spotted that from like 10 feet away. Hit the like button if you'll drive this. What do you think about the price? I mean, do you guys think this price is too much? Or if this was right on? We'll get another side view here. Beautiful car. Sunny weather. It is shining. It's looking great. Hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to bring you guys tons of more exclusive cars. If you have any questions, comment them below. Actually, tire size, very important. A lot of people ask me for the tire size because they like what they see and they want to match them up. These are P225s, 70R rated, 14-inch wheels, and these are VVIVID ridges. and they have plenty of meat. These look super dope. It's perfect for this car. They did a really good job. Well done. Whoever built this car, well done. I'll show you guys in there. They did a good job. Headers could have been replaced. I don't think they were replaced. The mid pipe, down pipe, those haven't been. The trunk lid could be straightened out a little bit more. You know, those are little things, but you got to start the price somewhere. I think with the $65,000, there's some room to play with. Not bad. This is a beauty. Subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.